Do you know that some industries that carry out manufacturing process in Nigeria still depend on foreign countries for their raw materials? Many of them even rely on people outside Nigeria with the skills needed to work in their industry. For instance, majority of the industries are located in the city, but the raw materials needed for manufacturing are made available from the primary activities like fishing, farming, lumbering, and hunting in rural areas. Nigeria still spends a very huge amount of money to import goods and services heavily from other countries like cars, computers, machines, food, refined petroleum, and many other things. And do you know why? It is because majority of the industries in Nigeria are mainly light industries, which carry out minor processes like shoemaking, catering, textile, food, and so on, requiring more labor than technical skills. These are the characteristics of manufacturing industries in Nigeria, which means that majority of the industries involved in manufacturing in Nigeria are small-scale industries that rely on imported skilled labor from foreign countries. They depend on foreign countries for their raw materials. They are usually concentrated in a few locations, especially urban centers. Mainly light industries that require large labor. Their produce is mainly consumed in the local market. They are largely small scale. Trust you had fun learning in this class today. See you in the next lesson. Bye.